the formula above, we have a complicated formula here, like m equals to like this whole thing over 1,200 and plus this piece right here raised to the n power, and then divided by this string of numbers underneath times p. What this number gives you is the monthly payment that you need to make to pay off a loan of P dollars at an out interest rate, at an out percent interest rate over n month. Right? Now the question says is now asking us which of the following give P in terms of M, R, and N. So they want you to isolate P and move the P to the right hand side, to the left hand side, and everything else to the right. So how do we do this? So all we need to do is we can simply divide both sides of the equation by this fraction here. So when we divide both sides of the equation by the entire fraction, this will be canceled out on the right hand side, and then on the left you're going to have m divided by this fraction, and then at the last step you're going to switch sides. So keep p on the left and then everything else on the right hand side of the equation. So at the end this is how it's going to look like. So p equals m divided by this, right? When you divide by this is equivalent to multiply by the inverse of this. Right? Divided by this fraction is equivalent to multiply by the inverse of this fraction. So the inverse of this fraction is simply you turn this upside down, right? This will go into the numerator. It looks something like this, right? And this will now belong to the denominator. And so at the end, the answer looks something like this, right? P equals to m times this fraction, and we just compare them and see which one of the choices that. So the answer is B. B looked exactly like what we have here.